soap was a hodgepodge of a bunch of different elements. So I have the Spring Gnome. I had some watering cans and flour, which the leaves get lost in the base. Then I had the Easter Gnome, which I think he's cute. Like, I was frustrated putting it together, but I think it's cute. Again, darn flower. I do like the little watering can, the butterfly. This was, like I said, I had a bunch of different pieces I had extruded because I was testing, and so I put them all together. You can see how this base, the bottom half of him didn't go on straight. It got rotated a little bit. I know, probably no one would notice that except me. Oh yeah, and then I had a little bit of the pink gnome too. Like, I just used up all of my gnomes to fill the loaf. And so I said, you have a little bit of, this one's got both, of everything. I said, I wish I'd done this green a little bit lighter so the flower stem stood out, but I mean, it's not bad. It's by no means bad. I do think it's cute. Oh yeah, here's the other. So I didn't have quite enough pink flower and watering cans, so then I used, there are a couple with 2 bits of purple flower. So like I said, this soap has a little bit of everything. There's all types of elements in it. And I did swirl the sky. Since I had 2 solid skies with my 2 other gnome designs, I decided to add a little swirl in this one. So it's cute. I like it. I'll take it.